Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show a tiny little Hobby Lobby haul that I got. Nothing too exciting, but I thought, hey, I bet somebody would like to see it. It is going to be a quick video because I got some things I need to get done today outside. That's why I got my hat on. I look rough. My hair looks rough. It's all poof. But anyway, so I went to Hobby Lobby, and I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand to go to like a Joann's or a Michael's or Hobby Lobby and not have a project in mind that I need yarn for. If I go there and I see all these yarns I like, and I'm like, ooh, get some of that. Ooh, get some of that. What can I do with this? I get a whole bunch of this, and it's just like I spend way too much, and I don't need to do that. And I'm like, I hate doing that because then I get it home and then it sets and it sets and it sets because I don't know what to do with it. And it's like I would rather have a project in mind. Okay, this is what I want to make. Figure out how many yards I need and go get it. And like pick out a yarn I need for that project that I want to make. Well, of course, I went to Hobby Lobby and didn't have a project in mind. So I start looking at the yarn, and one yarn that they sell is Baby Bee Sweet Delight Pomp yarn, which it's really similar to a yarn they used to sell. Is it Pompadour yarn? Was it Red Heart Super Saver Pompadour? And I only know that because I've seen it in an antique store before. Or was it Jamie? The Red Heart Jamie yarn? Would you guys, one of you let me know in the comments, please? I can't remember what it was. Anyway, it has this, man, there you go. Can you see the little strands that are running through the yarn? Super soft. And the little strands, like you would think that it would be, come on. Why? Ah, there we go. Anyway, you would think that the strands would be rough feeling, but they're not. They're super soft. But anyway, like I was saying, it's really similar to either it was Pompadour or Jamie. I can't remember the name, which one it was. But anyway, I love this yarn, and I have one or two projects I've made out of this. And when I went to Hobby Lobby, I thought, you know what, I'll just go get some more of that. And when I got into the aisle, they had this color, pinkaboo, and white. And I thought, whoa. First of all, they used to have all kinds of colors of this. Purple, yellow. I think they had variegated colors or striped colors. And I was like, what the heck? So I looked it up online and I saw that this is discontinued now. And I was like, why? Go figure. Why not? Gosh dang it. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to get as much as this pink as I could. So I bought every one of them, which was like 5 skeins of it. It wasn't that much, but so now I have got to figure out something that I want to make with this yarn. And I'm thinking, of course it's going to be a baby set. And I'm thinking I want a solid rectangle baby blanket, but I want it to have squares in the rectangle and it would be like a double crochet chunk this big, a crochet design square, double crochet chunk, the design square, something like that. So when you lay it out, it shows the two different designs, just the regular double crochet to separate the block, and then the block of the designed square. Anyway, so I'm thinking, I just got done eating breakfast. Oh man. So I'm thinking I have enough to do that. It's a 3-weight. It's 54% acrylic, 36% polyamide, and 10% rayon. So rayon is the little strands that run through it. 340 yards, and like I said, I bought 5, so that's 0, 0, 15, 16. So that, what is that, 1,200 yards, I think. That's math in my head, quick math in my head, so I'm probably wrong, but I think it's like rounded up to like 1,200 yards. So I think that'd be enough for uh, a smaller size baby blanket, maybe a little cardigan, probably not a matching pillow. Dang, I bet it's not enough. Dang it. I was really hoping. Anyway, so like I said, I got a bunch of these. Man, I'm just really upset that they discontinued that color or this yarn because I loved it. And it's so, it just gives a little added pizzazz to your project when it has that, you know, the little strand running through there that kind of shines. I don't want to say sparkles because it doesn't sparkle, but I mean it's like it's a little shiny strand through it. So I got a bunch of those. Dang it, I think it's discontinued. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. I googled, saw some stuff that was like yes it is, and then was like dang it, it's discontinued. So I didn't really like research it. So I mean, I'm sure if somebody got on there and went through everything, they would find if it was discontinued or not. But so I got that, and then one other thing that I got was I got one skein of I Love This yarn in the color light peach. And the reason I did that, or the reason I want this, is because this is my new favorite color for skin tone on Amigurumi dolls. Now, I used this when I made my mother-in-law the last angel that I made her, that I gave her at Christmas, and, well, what the heck? Oh, there it is. And I didn't have much left, and I was thinking, man, I'm ready to make an amigurumi. I haven't done that since, you know, making the angel, but I want to make something for me. And I thought, well, I can make another doll. Then I would have to get the skin tone again. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and grab this while I was in Hobby Lobby anyway. And the whole reason we were even in there is because we have a swing my husband and I set in the backyard. So it's a seat and then a little table and then a seat, and it's all on a swing. And we sit there all the time. Well, it's been back there so long that the little canopy piece at the top, it like disintegrated from the sun and rain and everything. So my husband and I took it apart, and he helped me take it apart. And then I bought he bought polyester outdoor material, and I'm gonna sew a new canopy for it, which it completely does not match, but it was on sale. It was super cheap, so I didn't care. And it's in our backyard, so nobody sees it but us because it's fenced in. But I'm gonna make a new canopy for that swing. So since I was in there, I was like, well, I'll just look at yarn, and that's when all of this yarn buying happens, because I found this and this. Oh, and I got a pack of gum. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Not much, nothing too exciting or too interesting, but I'm gonna go get some work done. I'm tired. Okay, I feel like you can see it in my eyes that I'm tired. I've been doing a lot of work lately, so anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Wednesday tutorial. That's it. All right, bye guys.